Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, Bee Swarm Simulator. As usual, before we start the video, guys, if you guys could leave a like and subscribe, that'd be big help. Anyways, guys, we are starting to grow the hive out really fast. As you can see, I have almost $800 billion, and that is enough to buy the next hive slot. The next hive slot is 767 gil, and we have also completed Honeybee's Wreath, which we are going to turn in shortly, and we have 11 out of 14. Alright, so basically, we're going to start off by turning in the Honeybee Wreath, which I'm going to go put on Honey Mask. It's not at the blender, it's in here, isn't it? Okay. Now we're going to head in here. We're going to talk to him. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Honeybee smiles towards the honey wreath. It smiles, grows more and more. Grotely, quilly, wide. What? Buzz hug. Pure satisfaction could be felt in these days. Buzz, 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 whatever. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh, but there's a jelly bean token. What the heck? You guys all just see that? You weren't sure that the bee is trying to say, but 50% more honey. Hey. Oh, look at that. 9 micros. Hey, look at that. Oh, I thought that said 99 bill. I was gonna be like, let's go. But no, that was only 99 mil. Okay. Wow, it's like, because that comes through. Well, now we have 24 microconverters. That's sick. Sick. Okay. Now we're gonna head in here real quick, and we're gonna use this thing. Alright. So we're gonna go in here. Ooh. Jelly beans, microconverters, magic bean. Gingerbread bread. Jelly beans, microconverter. Jelly beans. Now I have 4 jelly beans. A. Gingerbread man. Magic bean. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Magic bean. Alright, there wasn't too many things that were good in here, but pretty good. Usually there's gold eggs in it, but not this time. Okay, let's go over here, grab our stockings. Alright guys, now we're gonna put on our demon mask, and we are going to go buy another slot. Alright. Let's head on up there. Alright guys, what do you think this new bee is going to be? I think I'm going to either get another gifted Riley, or a gifted Rad, or another Spicy. Alright, and boom. Okay guys, now we have 49. Yo. There it is. We're going to put this one in there. Rascal Bee. Okay. Then we are going to auto jelly. Gifted. Perfect. Looks good. Actually, we only use 17. Let's try to get a Riley. Brave. Rascal. Oof. No. Rascal. Rage. Yeah, this might take a while. What the heck? Where is it? Come on, I might have to go buy more jellies. Yo. Okay, whatever. I'm keeping a gifted rod then. Okay. Perfect. Now let's go level it up to level 13. At least level 13. By the way, guys, leave a like on this video, please. It will be a very big help. And leave in the comments if I shall start an arsenal, like, montage, sort of. But instead, it's like, I don't know. Just leave in the comments what videos should be about. Okay, mate. Yep, we can. Let's try to level up. No. I don't know, we got a spicy here that needs to be leveled up. That's gifted. Nope. Let's just... This one has bar, as you can see. I got bar and a spicy. Come on. Didn't level up. Didn't turn gifted, I meant. Got some blueberries. Tadpole down there. Nope. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you guys so much. See you later.